Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger ringtone. To know how to fix or to solve Messenger ringtone, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about ringtone app, Messenger app. When you find this page of app and file, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait 3 seconds, then you can turn on your phone again. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn off your Wi-Fi again, as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.